from this to this. Let me show you how. First, gotta locate which outlet to take power from. Mine happened to be right on the other side of the wall. And I had to cut out this Newark box with a multi-tool is definitely the easiest way. Next, I take a fish tape to fish it over to the other side to help more easily pull that wire through. Now I'm looping the Romex through and pulling it through to the other side. And I'm adding an outlet behind each TV. This location ended up being perfect. I didn't have to drill through any studs. They were both between the same stud cavity. So I turned off power, of course, before working on any electrical, duh, always. And you just saw me use a voltage checker to make sure I hit the right circuit breaker. And I'm using these old work boxes for all the new outlets. They have these screws on the top and bottom where you screw it down and it tightens onto the drywall really tight. So I had 3 sets of wires coming through here. An outlet can only hold 2 sets. So what you see me doing now is adding an extension to 2 out of those 3 wires, 1 for each color. And then as you can see here, I am twisting together 2 wires with one end of the extension wire. This other end will go on the outlet. And now I have 2 sets. Yay! Hopefully that made sense. And then just making sure to loop the wires on in a clockwise position, and honestly stuffing everything back in is the hardest part. And then the other 2 were easy peasy, white on silver, black on gold, ground together.